What's up guys, this is a new channel named Text Why I'm Broke. Kinda fits me better as I'm wasting my own money to test out new products and hopefully provide you with some insight. Today my son will be diaperless, but on the bright side, I spent hard-earned money to be able to do this unboxing of the new ASUS Zenbook DUO 2024 model with 32GB of RAM, 1TB storage, and the new Intel Core Ultra 9 processor. This was ordered through Amazon and should have all the original accessories as available through ASUS themselves. Got my extremely dangerous sharp kitchen box opener here. Help me get this box open. Without any further delays here, we got your standard packaging box here, as with usual with most ASUS products here. Alright, so pulling out the first thing here, this appears to be the included book bag, which is a pretty nice addition and always great to get extra accessories, especially with the prices we pay for these products. Alright, appears to be a unique box, as always. Put that aside for now. This just appears to be some packaging for the box itself. And then this should be our additional accessories, including the charger itself. So it looks like we got a 65-watt charger here. And then we also get the ASUS Pen 2.0. Okay, that's it for that. And that appears to be all we get inside the package. So, now let's get this bad boy open. Alright, come on. Come on. This thing. Alright, that gave me a little run for my money. Let's get this thing open. Alright. Almost there. I got this. Okay. So as you can see, the usual unique design for ASUS boxes here. We'll get this open up and look at that, all the way it flips up just like on the previous models. You open the box, it's got a unique hinge design, opens right up. There's some packaging material there. So we got the laptop itself right up top. And wow, this thing is looking sweet. Look how small and thin this thing is, and with what's expected to be inside the keyboard and everything, that's awesome. So this appears to be just more packaging. It looks like you could fold it, use it as an additional kickstand. Just standard material here, and that appears to be everything inside the box itself. So we'll put that aside. Let's take a look at the laptop itself. Get this opened up here, see what we got. Do myself here, get this plastic off a little bit easier than the initial one. I did work out yesterday, but appears to be still getting the best of me. This one seems to be coming off a lot easier. Let's get this bad boy open. Look at this, looking right back here. This thing looks sweet. Alright, open up here and look at that beautiful display right there. Looks like the keyboard has some cover on it. Wow, there's the second display there. Looking pretty good. Get the keyboard opened up here. Alright, take that out. Wow, I cannot believe how thin this thing is. That looks amazing. It's insane. The feel of it's great. Look at that, just snaps right in there. Magnetic design. Closes right back up. Looks just like your ordinary laptop. A full HDMI port there and standard aux plug. The kickstand opens up quite a bit of the way. That's awesome. On the left side here we have standard USB-A port, 2 USB-C ports, Thunderbolt 4. What I'm gonna do quick here now is we're going to compare the size of this thing to a few other laptops I have laying around here. We have the HP Spectre X360 14-inch, that's the 2024 version, and here we have the Surface Book 3, and last we have the ASUS Zenbook Flip 15-inch. So as you can see, the size comparison is amazing for what you get out of this device. We're gonna stack them on top of each other just so you can get a better idea of the size of this thing. So the Surface Book 3 is a 13.5-inch size screen. So we'll stack that on top so we can see for a comparison. This thing, with what it comes with and how they pack that keyboard in there, is just amazing. Looking from the front here, this thing appears to be the same size as the rest of the laptops there. It actually looks thinner than the Surface Book 3, which is insane, because this thing has a keyboard built in, 2 screens, and everything. Forward to using this thing and seeing what it can do. Yeah, so there's with everything open. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and the keyboard, the layout, the setup, everything looks pretty spot on. And here are just some different configurations. This is obviously the regular laptop mode. Then you have dual screen mode, and here's with the kickstand up. You can see what this bad boy really can do. Definitely looking forward to seeing what this and using this thing as my daily device here going forward. So here we got it sitting next to the HP Spectre X360. This is the 2024 model, which has also got the same size screen, 14 inches. You can see, as far as the bezels themselves, seem about pretty close in size as far as that goes. Now the keyboard layout, considering this is detachable, it's amazing. You can see the keys, I would say pretty close as far as the size in comparison. The HP is just a little bit bigger as far as the key sizes, but pretty close. If you guys have any further questions, any other comments, concerns, let me know. If you want to see anything else as far as what this device is capable of, like I said, I'm mainly doing an unboxing video. If you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments below. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and look forward to posting more videos. Hopefully help you guys get an idea of what these devices look like, so that way it can help you determine on what you might want to purchase and what you might want to use as far as your daily driver or just something you want to test out. Now, I do also have the new Lenovo YogaBook 9i on order as well. That should be in within a week or so, and I will be doing an unboxing and comparison video between these two devices. Just a quick comparison, see what differences there are between the two and which one might suit you better and which one I'll probably end up keeping. So definitely excited about that. It's amazing with the technology, the evolution, what's coming around, and what these devices are capable of doing. Again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know, and looking forward to doing more videos.